and coffee for the day. Nice. Good morning. There is one over there. And there is one more, but you can't really see it. Good morning. Please don't be scared. Anyway. Man. Has some good muscles. Look at him. Good morning. I'm gonna let the kangaroo resting again. So yeah, as you can see, there is kangaroos around here, and especially now that the neighbors are gone, there is even more. So it's around 10 o'clock and it's Tuesday. Yes, it is Tuesday. So what I want to do, I want to start sanding again, and I want to finish sanding all days. This way I can, if I finish sanding that, I can pop even on the house and sanding even the top section, and then I can go to the shops and I can replace this weatherboard plus the corner, the timber on the corner, and I want to take this one off as well. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna start unpacking all the tools, and I will start working. I just want to say one more time hello to the kangaroos though. It's still there. Bye bye kangaroo. Bye bye. Alright guys, I think I'm done with the sanding in here. As you can see, I can see the roofing, right? And up to there I have those boards that I have even on the ground as well, so I can use those ones. But on this side, as you can see, it's a cement sheet. So I don't really know what to do, to be honest. Maybe the cement sheet will be ideal. Alright guys, so this is what I've been doing so far. I tried to reinforce a bit the whatever it's called, this tiny fence. I lift up even that one a bit. I know there is the support, the steel one that you can actually put it there, but whoever did the job previously used the stumps or the posts, you know, so I'm doing the same. I have some of the stumps left over, and I just put it there, and it's not curving anymore. It's quite nice and straight. So I was doing that, and I realized that first of all, it's broken. It's not really broken, it's rotten. So it's rotten, and I have to replace it. But at the same time, all this needs to come a bit up, because I lifted the house. The house is being lifted up, so I'm not sure if these two, they need to get 100 but 10 or 20 mil up, but definitely the corner one needs to, because all this, you can see that has a fall into the post, you know, so it needs to get lifted up. And by doing that, it's complex. By doing that, I have to remove all these tiles. So I was trying to figure out what's going on. Yes, I have to lift up all these tiles. I have to cut the post, and I have to use the I will show you here, this steel to lift up the post into the level. So it's quite a big job. Because I have to jackhammer all this out, all of it, so I can reach the concrete. So yeah, as you can see, some of them, they just peeling off, like, see, same as this one. So yeah, I just realized, look at this olive. There's so many of them. Like, it's so full. It's so full. Anyway guys, so I looked from the street roughly how it looks like, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Keeps my motivation up, you know, that it's there is some progress on it. Anyway guys, so I had the kangaroos here before I close the video. I had the kangaroos here all day, to be honest, and they're still resting in the shade. I don't want to scare them again. See, they're still there resting. one of them. The other one, it's hiding somewhere. So yeah, also I put this I don't know how you call it, this material that reflects the light for the birds, for the white birds, and they haven't showed up yet, so maybe they're actually doing the job, because the reflection, it's scaring them, it scares them. So anyway, I want to show you that I put some water just now in here. I put some water over there in my neighbor's yard. Hopefully the kangaroo will get some water. So yeah, I put some water over there. Hopefully the kangaroo will drink some. It's a hot day, and yeah, I kind of feel sorry that they don't want to get any food from me. I lost gloves, so one glove is here, and I lost another glove somewhere. Also guys, I just realized I have the fence so high, so there was a first fence that was going down there, and then somebody built a huge fence all the way up for the kangaroos, in my opinion, because it's everywhere going really high, like a 1.2 tall. So say it's really high, even more than 1.2, it's 1.7. It's exactly my height. So I think that's the reason why they put the fence, so they can keep the kangaroos away. Anyway, they're cute. They can be also annoying and dangerous. So that's what they like to do. That's what they're doing all day, resting, and then at night they just take off and jump in front of the cars. Yeah, 2 nights ago I finished really late, and on the way home I saw one wallaby, which they smaller kangaroos, and the huge kangaroo, and the big one was actually a bit on the side of the road, not right next to the road, but the wallaby was right on the road, and lucky I saw it from far away, and I just stopped next to it. That they're really dangerous. If you go 130, that's the reason why we don't have 130 in Australia kilometers per hour. It's only 100, or on the freeway 110, because if you hit a kangaroo full on speed, you'll destroy yourself first and the car. So yeah, alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you next time. See ya.